Welcome, my name is Eranjan Jeena Yapa, and today we're gonna talk about the new leaked Windows 11. We're gonna talk about the new UI, the start menu, and more. And so let's go. So this is a article about Windows 11, and also we're also gonna talk about screenshots of Windows 11. So this is one of a screenshot in this article. So the next version of Windows has leaked online. So first of all, this thing is actually been at here. So for like it's is published in June 15 2021, almost today. It is June 20. This is June 15 2021, and exactly Microsoft was making a some sort of event in thing. First of all, I'm gonna find out the event. Wait. So this is the events. Join us to see what's next for Windows. So this is watch the live stream 6 at the 6th month, which is June 24th 2021. For if you don't know that thing, that play that time, it is actually the poe day, the post the poe day for person. If you go to calendar and search for there, it will say Poson full moon poe day, that because it is the poe day. And I also add the reminder, join us to see what's next for Windows. So actually this is the event page that you can also watch it in YouTube, but I don't know really if it's will gonna place to YouTube or something like that. The thing on I only know is it will gonna be at here. It's also this had this tag Microsoft event, and it's will gonna be great. So first of all, let's get back into our article. So Windows 11 leak reveals new UI, start menu, and more. The next version of Windows has been leaked online. So this is a some sort of screenshot. I'm gonna show it this onto this weird place. So I will gonna show it. So I can also see it's like this. So this is like this. So you have the new start menu. This is the start menu. This is the start menu. You have the start menu button. Actually, everything in the task menu is centered, so more like a Mac. And then you'll see in WinVer, if you run in Windows normally. Wait, I'm gonna get it. If you run WinVer, it's called as Win version. If you set OK, you will get this. So I'm using Windows 10 still, so it will, if you're using Windows 10, it will show Windows 10. If you're using 8, show Windows 8. If you type type the Windows key on your keyboard and then R, you can close this, and then you have to type WinVer. I already typed that. You have to type WinVer and then press enter. You will get this. This is actually the Windows version. So I'm running 2004, and the OS build is 19,041. It's the build. Somewhat it can be changed, but this is the Windows 11. If you type WinVer on Windows 11, it will gonna get this thing. So let's read the article then. Microsoft's upcoming Windows 11 operating system has been leaked online today after screenshots were first published at Chinese site Baidu, which is, Baidu is some sort of like social media site like Facebook, but it is officially in China, and that were the all of the screenshots were actually placed. And these are, I guess this is a copy, or this would be some sort of English person like got this. So that's the okay, the entire Windows 11 OS has appeared online, complete with new user interface, start menu, and lots more. The new Windows 11 user interface and start menu look very similar to what was originally found on Windows 10X. If you don't know Windows 10X, I'm gonna show you a bit more. So Windows 10X. Okay, so but exactly, Windows 10X is actually a more kind of thing that used for dual screens, things like the Surface Duo and Neo. Those two are dual screen devices. Actually, it was cancelled like a month ago because of favor, because Microsoft is going to make Windows 11 more similar to that. The most visually biggest design is actually the centered start menu and the more it's more changed start button. It's actually the icon of Windows 11 is also changed. It's more similar to the Microsoft icon, which is really similar to it. Actually, the start menu is mostly changed a lot from now. So you see, it's now you don't have any live tiles like this. If you see this thing, you see this is a live tile. You don't have live tiles anymore, so this is pretty cool. And then this is Tom Warren. It is a person who works at The Verge, not at Microsoft, but in this The Verge. So he uploaded this video where he will talk about some sort of the recordings, the new startup sound. I'm gonna show you the startup sound a little bit more about. So this is you also have rounded corners a lot. If you like you see you have okay, I can't too much. Okay, thinking you see you have round corners, and there's a new snapping feature which you can snap when you hold it in here, which is pretty cool if you don't have anything like this doing like that. So it's pretty cool. So then we have the search bar. That's where you search. Okay, it's here. It's going away. So this is the search place where you search. Type here to search. When you click here, you can search for anything. Like if you say that, it will go to signing options, and then if you search for movies and and TV, we're gonna get this and TV. It is here. So it's a lot of change. The UI is actually changed. If you are actually updated Windows 10 a bit, you'll get this thing, this right here. In here yes, I don't have interconnection. This is just a saved thing, but you'll have this thing. If you try to get in this in Windows 11, you'll get this more bigger thing. It is good if you don't like this little star menu like thing. So it's a lot of change. And then Microsoft Okay, it's stopped. Okay, it's not a big problem. Okay, so actually the Microsoft Store is Microsoft is saying that it will gonna change, but in this league bill, it's doesn't have any more changes yet. So so actually, the Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella says unlock greater economic opportunity for developers and creators with Windows, and that will likely come in the form of the new store. Microsoft is reportedly overhauling its Windows App Store to allow developers to submit any Windows application, including browsers like Chrome or Firefox, like this. Actually, I guess it's good to add Chrome or Firefox to the Windows Store, because if you add like that, it would be pretty great. Like if you have Windows 10s, which is Windows 10s is actually a version of Windows 10 that is used mostly. It is actually a thing that you cannot install apps outside from the Windows Store, which is pretty annoying, especially if your computer only supports Windows 10s. So it's good to add Chrome and Firefox or any kind of useful programs to the Windows Store. So Microsoft may be also considering allowing third-party commerce platforming apps. So it would be like Amazon App Store will be also, I don't know, but it would be gonna like that, allowing developers to avoid the cut Microsoft usually takes from in-app purchase system. So, and we are get to the place where we talk about the new Windows 11 startup. So it would gonna be a bit quiet. So wait, I'm gonna set up. So wait. So this is the news in Windows 11 startup. So here it goes. You have to add the maximum sound, which is 100, or if you don't want, you can also lower that. So this is the new Windows 11 startup. So that is then, and it's also again. So that is the new Windows 11 startup sound. There would be also new sounds also across the whole system, like the error sound, the warning sound. So this is the Xbox experience. So it has the okay, I just things disappeared again. Alright, so this is this is the Xbox thing. Exactly, wait, I'm gonna get it back. It says Xbox need an update. We are getting Xbox ready for you. So this is the updates where you update Xbox, and this is the Xbox app on Windows 11. So I didn't use Xbox. I don't play games very much, but I guess it would be different on Windows Windows 10, and would be a really big change, I guess. It says that it remain all the same actually, so I guess it would be gonna Microsoft has been dropping hints that wait, I'm gonna come back. Okay, I'm back. So Windows 11 Xbox is yet okay. So Microsoft has been dropping hints that it's ready to launch Windows 11. The software giant is holding a special Windows 11. That's what we call this. This join us to see what's next for Windows. So the announcements, and yep, so those are pretty good, and we're gonna get some screenshots. So this is the first screenshot. So this is it's a bit grainy. Wait, I'm gonna fix that right here. Okay, I'm back. It's actually something internet problem. Okay, okay, it will gonna be okay now. And here it goes. So this is a screenshot of Windows 11. It has, when you add more apps to the taskbar, it will gonna be more. The taskbar will, it means that it will gonna be go back when you add more apps to the taskbar. It's gonna be cool. It's really cool. So this is the icon that has over here. I can show that now. And also you also have ISO for here. This is it's not actually IO but ISO, but this is the Windows 11. So this is another screenshot. Actually I want to show the OOB, actually the what called the out of box experience. So this is a part of the OOB, which is, so this is actually set up, and then you would also gonna have some I'm gonna also write OOBE. So this is things of OOB. So this is a pretty change. Also a normal Cortana talking. So the first thing would be asking the country, then the username, the keyboard, everything you would expect is here. So it's a big change actually. So you would also, and so I'm gonna show you Windows 10X actually. So Windows 10X. So actually Windows 10X is the thing that really similar to Windows 11. Actually it was cancelled. Actually Windows 10X is used for dual screen devices. You see, it no longer plans to release Windows 10X. The operating system originally supposed to arrive alongside new dual screen devices like the Surface Neo, with a more lightweight and simplified interface and features. It unlikely that we'll never see Windows 10. We will never see the Surface Neo device now. Oh, true. Wait, I'll come back. Okay, so actually it is pretty good actually. So I don't know how much it will gonna good or bad. I guess it would gonna be really good for most of people. So this is the reset thing. I don't know what even that even difference between it would be. Your files would be now be your personal files. Okay, I guess it would be that. And then it's actually this is the Windows 10 OOB account, local accounting, and actually it's pretty good. So actually this is the Windows 10X thing. So this is actually Windows 10X. So actually it's a big change between Windows 10 and Windows 11. Even Satya Nadella is saying that it's a whole big change. So it would be pretty big. So I guess you will hope enjoy this video. So bye. I will come back in another video. So bye. I'll come back in another video. Bye.